Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a TXTag in your vehicle. So you can get this letter in your mailbox, and then you open your letter and you can get like three different stuff over here. One is your Texas tag, like this kind, and another is your user agreement, and another one is your welcome letter. So these are the stuff you can get in your mailbox, and now I'm going to show you how to install this TXTag in your vehicle. So here are three simple steps to put your sticker in your car, like clean, position and stick. First of all, you have to clean the right position and then stick. So where does this go? That's the main thing. I show you where does your sticker go. First of all, I show you where is my windshield attached. So my windshield is attached over here in a windshield. So the sticker goes to from here to half inch below here. So I'm cleaning up the position at first. You need to clean up very well before to stick the sticker. And your windshield temperature should be below the 50 Fahrenheit to stick the tag. So here's my text tag. I need to peel. So need to peel the back side of the sticker, and then you see a green part at the back. So that green part goes to the windshield side, and that is stick in your windshield. So I peel like this. This is the peel part. It looks green, and other side is like a colorful light blue and white. So you can see the green part, the green side. So this green side goes to the windshield side. Now I'm attaching this sticker in my windshield. It goes to half inch below this windshield black part. Yeah, this is the way we stick the TXTag. Thank you very much for watching this video.